We are not backing down in restoration of Biafra Liberation Army. They say anybody we open door for any Nigeria army wey run inside in house, you don't enter for wahala. My people, things are happening. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. If today na the first time when they come across this channel, you are highly welcome. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel, what you dey wait for? Subscribe so we will bring you back to back update as it dey hot. No be smart, you know. It's everywhere don red. They say Kasala don boss. Don't forget to turn your notification bell for quick update, because if you don't turn it on, I be say you go be the first person we're gonna get our update. Hey, let's go and look into the Ogbonge news we get for hand today. I saw with the waka for the whole internet, the waka for everywhere, for road, for inside bush. They look for waiting they happen. Mo bring a con give honor. Now we come here. One Biafra Liberation Army when they talk say, he say any road where Nigerian military they pass, if they get battle, say many people close the road though, and if they run enter inside your house, say they get CCTV camera, they get camera everywhere where they monitor. He said they go find the person come for inside your house. Things are really happening. I beg me no be like say that we they talk for our own mouth. We will play the video, may you listen from beginning to end. Watch the video.
We must fight this war once and for all. He who go die, and he who go live will live and enjoy forever. It is better than we keeping quiet and allowing them to kill us little by little until they finally wipe us out. And there will be nobody to live to testify this greatness and the goodness of Chukwukikabiama. And that is why we say it will never happen. Not in this our time. So prepare for war. Gather bullet, man, gather stick, gather knife. Any of them that run into your house for safety, kill them, push them out for us. Some of you have been versing us. Some of you have been versing us. I have to also warn you, because I told you today I'm going to speak with you as my friend and as my enemy. Some of you, when these people face serious heat, they will remove their uniform and they will run into your place to give them shelter, man, coverage. And some of you will hide them. Our eye will be upon you. Immediately you hide the enemies of Biafra, those who came to our land to kill us. We find out that this soldier ran into your place and you did not push him out. You did not raise alarm. You did not call us. You hide him. Some of you, even they help them hide their gun and their uniform. When we get you, we will burn down that house and we will kill you. Anything in that house will be killed. Because you are evil. You betray us. You betray 30 millions of people that died between 1967 to 70. You betray the people that have been killing since till today. You betray Nnamdi Kanu in prison, and we will never take that from you. Be warned. Be warned. We might not have time again to warn you. We might not have time again to warn you. I've already told you that starting from next week, the movement have changed. We are no longer going to steam this vehicle. Tomorrow, the vehicle will still remain on steaming. But on Monday onward, from Monday onward, Gear 1 will apply. And you know, whenever you put Gear 1, the vehicle that was staying one place will start moving. We are moving. And also remember that I've told you that this vehicle does not have brake. And we can never apply brake. We have disconnected everything called brake so that we will not be tempted to mash brake. everything that call brake that can, cause friction that can make this vehicle to stop. We have disconnected it. So immediately we start this vehicle, it's unstoppable. Anything that stand on our way will be bring down immediately. I'm warning you in advance so that you will not say, I was not warned. Please, help me share this message until it get to every single person that are staying in the land of Biafra. If you know you are staying in the land of Biafra, be you a citizen of Biafra or a foreigner in Biafra land, this is the warning to you. The soldier run into your compound, raise an alarm. Raise an alarm to save your own soul and save your own life. Raise an alarm. Any soldier that run into your compound for safety, please, for you to be safe and your family, you must raise an alarm. Call us, because none of them will go out in this land alive. But if you give covering to him or her, we will find out. Because we are mounting camera in every city, in every way. We are mounting camera. We get eyes. And when we come back and then re-examine our camera and see where the soldier ran in, we are coming to you straight. And we are not coming there to ask you, why do you do this? We are coming there to take action immediately. Be warned. Be warned. Be very, very, very warned. Immediately these people pass your area, pass your street, pass your road, advise every youth in that very area to open the road, block the road, so that they will not see road going back. And while you are doing that, everybody close to that place, please, go out of your house. Don't stay in your house. So just leave the compound. Go, just give 10 poles away. Leave the area, because we definitely will pursue them to that place. And when we get there, it's going to be disastrous. Do you understand me? Immediately then pass your area, you know that they don't pass. Definitely you have in mind that they are still going to follow that same way to go back. Advise, open the road, block the road, and get out from that environment. The spirit of the land will do their work. This war of Jericho, this Nigeria war, the foundation that owns Nigeria is going to be broken. Serious. We are going to shake it very hard starting from next week. Get prepared. Any soldier that run into your house, kill him. It is the enemy of the land. Kill him. I will also advise you to be vigilant. To be vigilant. Those of you who know that soldier is living close to you, stop moving in the night, oh. Stop going out in the night, oh. Because the angels of God normally move both day and night. Don't say we did not warn you. Tell our enemy to bring more gun and more bullet in the land of Biafra. We are fully prepared. But do you see this war? After this war, Biafra will be emerged. Because we are not going to back down. Not today, not tomorrow, and not forever.
Yeah, my people, don't be smart, as you don't hear them, now so we take hear them too. I will call, I say this one go red be that, and this one be like say na kasala, big kasala, because when person can't shoot, why that be say no, me run, no, be like say this power too much. You can't enter my house. Now the man go carry you hot water full of. So yeah, if you no come over my house on our Allah, that means say that one na kasala be that. But however, mo will leave am for the people, for my good people, wanna contribute put for this matter. What you think when they talk? If you support what they talk, I beg may you rise in support. If you get your own agreement, still drop them for comment section. More talk about them for the next update. No be smart, Yeah, we go catch you for the next update as they hot. Stay tuned.